Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium benzoate. This common food preservative is synthesized through a straightforward chemical reaction. We will combine benzoic acid with a potassium source, typically potassium hydroxide, in a controlled environment. The goal is to achieve a neutralization reaction, forming the desired salt. This method ensures a stable and effective product for various applications. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need a precise amount of benzoic acid, which is our starting organic compound. Next, secure potassium hydroxide, a strong base, to react with the acid. Distilled water is crucial for dissolving these components and facilitating the reaction. Additionally, have a clean beaker, a stirring rod, and pH paper ready for monitoring. Now, let's perform the synthesis. First, dissolve about 10 grams of benzoic acid in 100 milliliters of hot distilled water. In a separate container, dissolve approximately 5 grams of potassium hydroxide in 50 milliliters of distilled water. Carefully and slowly add the potassium hydroxide solution to the warm benzoic acid solution while stirring constantly. Monitor the pH, aiming for a neutral range between 7 and 8. After the reaction, cool the solution to room temperature, then further chill it in an ice bath to encourage crystallization. Once crystals form, filter them from the liquid. Wash the collected crystals with a small amount of cold, distilled water to remove impurities. Finally, dry your purified potassium benzoate thoroughly, perhaps in a low-heat oven, and store it in a sealed, airtight container to maintain its quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.